Welcome to Profitability Plus. In this video, we'll delve into practical advice and strategies to help you make the most of your credit cards while maintaining financial health and stability. Carrying a balance on your credit card, contrary to a common myth, doesn't improve your credit. In fact, it can harm your credit score and finances. This is because it increases your credit utilization rate, which is a key factor in determining creditworthiness. Experts advise maintaining a low utilization rate, ideally around 7% of your credit limit. Carrying a balance also leads to interest charges, offsetting any rewards earned through credit card usage. To minimize these negative effects, it's essential to pay off your credit card balance in full each month, showcasing responsible credit management and boosting your credit score over time. While making minimum payments on your credit card is necessary, relying solely on them can have serious financial repercussions. This approach may seem convenient initially, but it often leads to a cycle of debt accumulation and extended repayment periods, resulting in higher interest charges. By only paying the minimum, you prolong your repayment timeline, allowing interest to compound and increasing your overall payment amount. To avoid this, create a comprehensive payment plan based on your financial situation, aiming to pay more than the minimum each month and prioritizing high-interest debt. Strategies like the debt avalanche or snowball method can help you systematically reduce your credit card debt and achieve financial freedom faster. By consistently making timely payments above the minimum, you can steer clear of the drawbacks of minimum payments and take charge of your financial future. Late or missed credit card payments can severely harm your credit score and financial well-being. They result in late fees, penalties, and negative marks on your credit report, potentially lowering your score. According to FICO, a single missed payment over 30 days late can decrease your score by 17 to 83 points, and if over 90 days late, by 27 to 133 points. Payments less than 30 days late aren't reported but may trigger penalty interest rates, increasing borrowing costs. To prevent these issues, consider setting up autopay or reminders for payment deadlines. Prioritizing timely payments helps protect your credit score and financial stability. Regularly reviewing your credit card statements is crucial for responsible management. Your statement details transactions, fees, and rewards. Neglecting this can lead to financial losses or credit damage. It's recommended to check for errors or fraud monthly, verifying charges align with purchases. Consider monitoring transactions more frequently using online tools. If you spot issues, dispute them immediately with your issuer, as they typically offer protections against fraud. Active monitoring safeguards your finances in a digital world. Understanding credit card terms and fees is crucial for informed financial decisions. Many overlook these details, leading to unexpected expenses. Here are key terms and fees to know. 1. Annual fee, charged for card membership, varies based on benefits. 2. Purchase APR, yearly interest rate on purchases, calculated monthly. 3. Balance transfer, APR, promotional rates for transferring balances with expiration dates. 4. Penalty, APR, higher rate for late payments, avoidable with timely payments. 5. Late payment fee, charged for missing minimum payments, can be avoided with reminders. 6. Foreign transaction fee, incurred for non-US purchases, can vary by issuer. 7. Balance transfer fee, charged for transferring balances between cards. Familiarizing yourself with these terms and fees enables better credit card management and financial planning. While credit cards offer convenience for purchases, cash advances should be approached cautiously. They allow immediate access to funds, but come with higher interest rates and fees than regular transactions. Cash advances start accruing interest immediately, unlike regular purchases, which often have a grace period. most issuers charge a cash advance fee, further increasing the cost. It's advisable to consider alternatives like using a debit card or setting up an emergency fund. Before taking a cash advance, carefully review your card's terms and explore lower-cost options. Understanding the risks helps in making responsible decisions about using this feature. Many credit cards offer introductory 0% APR, annual percentage rate, offers as a way to attract new cardholders and incentivize balance transfers. These promotional offers allow cardholders to make purchases or transfer existing balances without incurring interest charges for a set period of time, typically ranging from 6 to 18 months or longer. While introductory 0% APR offers can be enticing, it's important to understand the terms and conditions associated with these promotions to maximize their benefits and avoid potential pitfalls. Here are some key factors to consider when evaluating introductory 0% APR offers. Duration of the promotional period. The length of the introductory 0% APR period can vary depending on the credit card issuer and the specific offer. Be sure to check the terms and conditions to determine how long the promotional period lasts and when interest charges will begin to accrue. Applicability of the offer. Introductory 0% APR offers may apply to new purchases, balance transfers, or both. It's important to clarify which types of transactions are eligible for the promotional APR and whether there are any restrictions or limitations. Expiration of the offer. Introductory 0% APR offers typically have expiration dates, after which any remaining balances will be subject to the card's standard APR. Be mindful of the expiration date and plan your spending or balance transfer accordingly to avoid unexpected interest charges. Transfer fees. Some credit cards may charge a fee for balance transfers even during promotional periods with 0% APR. These fees are usually calculated as a percentage of the transferred balance and can affect the overall cost savings of the promotional offer. Impact on credit score. Opening new credit card accounts or transferring balances can have an impact on your credit score. Be aware that applying for multiple credit cards within a short period of time can result in multiple inquiries on your credit report, which may lower your credit score temporarily. Using the majority or all of your available credit on your credit card, also known as maxing out, can have negative consequences for your credit score and overall financial health. When you max out your credit card, you increase your credit utilization ratio, which is the ratio of your credit card balances to your credit limits. High credit utilization ratios can negatively impact your credit score, as credit scoring models view them as indicators of higher credit risk. Your credit utilization ratio is one of the key factors used in calculating your credit score, accounting for approximately 30% of your FICO score. Maintaining a low credit utilization ratio, ideally below 30%, is generally considered favorable and can help you achieve and maintain a higher credit score. Remember, your financial well-being is our top priority, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Reach out to Profitability Plus today for guidance on managing your finances effectively.